What up, ding dongs? Today we're going to be taking the motor out of this LS430 and we're going to try and get it into this SC400. Maybe we'll make some actual power with these things from now. Keep going. Good.
That motor will last. It's got oil pressure.
Cherry.
This tire didn't rotate at all.
No.
I think the caliper's locked
up. That was
up.
how when he pulled it on the
That's a lot of smoke. Alright, so the problem we're having right now is we can't turn the wheels, the back wheels,
I'm being
to...
an idiot. That's why.
What?
I just realized I'm being an idiot.
Why?
We gotta act like we're doing a great job and just spread the caliper out of it.
So yeah, can't turn the wheels to take the drive shaft bolts off, so we think it's the brakes.
First is for 10 months and you hit the park brake. Sometimes stuff doesn't work right.
Just a little bit.
Oh yeah. Park brakes are locked up, Sonny. Fuck. You know it's bad when I come walking up with this.
That's a big swinger.
Yeah. It's got my grandpa's initials engraved into it.
There you go.
That's loose. No, what about the shield?
Don't you care?
I don't.
I'm just waiting for the... There
Yes!
we go.
Yes!
Alright, I'm gonna go ugga-dugga these drive shaft bolts.
Now I'll sit here and bathe myself.
Oh, jeez, puppy. Oh, we gotta do the motor mount stuff.
Fuck.
Whoa!
What?
That almost fell out.
Trans?
The fucking trans almost fell out.
Oh.
Probably should have supported it a little. Look at this
Everything's
thing.
moving.
Yeah.
Let's take the engine bolts out when we get the...
Ugh. Oh, God. Well, yeah, we're almost out.
Yeah.
Fucking dope, dude. What does this take? Like 2 hours? I got here at 11. What is it now? 2? Bro, that was quick.
It's only 1 o'clock.
Oh shit, 2 hours. All right,
Ready to yank it.
let's do it. We gotta get those. We gotta get those motor bolts out. And she's good to go. Fucking trans almost smacked me in the face. All right, let's pull these motor bolts out. And actually, no, we got to go grab the chain from Tony. So let's go grab the chain and some Taco Bell because I'm starving. I haven't eaten breakfast yet. I don't eat breakfast because I'm fucking cool. Back from Tony's, we got the chains. We're gonna hook this shit up. So there's the two hooks. Oh no, did you scratch it a little bit?
My zipper ran along the fender.
Oh shit, wait. Oh crap. Oh, no. I put my hand down. Oh, damn it.
Oh no.
Oh.
Oh no.
Dude, I'm sorry.
Oh no.
Oh, dude.
Oh no.
Oh, I keyed your car, guy.
Oh no.
Are those aluminum?
Yeah, I think so.
What? They're aluminum fender? No, they're not aluminum.
No, no.
But that's split really easily. That seems like aluminum.
Nipex. Made by the Germans.
Made by the Germans. That splits like aluminum, but it's rusting, so it's not aluminum, so that's weird. Damn, dude, you did a good job.
Yeah, look at us. That's how they make the holes that are square from the factory.
They use those Nipex.
Look at that. I mean, that's a perfect square.
Perfect rectangular prism.
I am fucking proud of that. What's that fender on the wall? Well, your father made a financial mistake one time. Fell in love with it. And it was taken from him 3 weeks later.
Vroom, vroom.
Dad, why are you crying?
Vroom, vroom.
I miss it.
Alright, let's get to it before it gets too cold. And I gotta go home. Finally out.
Hey, there's my wrench.
Yeah. Gotta save it now. How did that happen? Look at this.
It's still wedged.
It's still stuck. Oh wow, that was a good one. I got it, Tyler. We did it. We had no idea what we're doing, and we did it. Stuck here. Can you try to go left? It's stuck here on this stuff, on the AC stuff. We're just completely obliterating it. Yeah. Yep. All right, we're good. Oh, perfect. Oh, what a yeah. Suck on something? Oh, trans, what? Tube. There we go. Should be good now. Oh, that was what was hanging up too. What? Trans cross member. Oh. Hey, guy, you want some power steering lines? Yeah. Thank you. Time for some excessive mounts. Yeah. Excessive motor mounts. I'm probably going to need to do motor mounts. Yeah, oh, for sure. Yours are right there, guy. No, I can just screw them back together. Just some self-tappers? Yeah, these will be fine. Just remelt them, Tyler. Just light them on fire and then just stick them back together. Put some Gorilla Glue. Two-part epoxy? Yeah. That works on hair, too. Yeah.
My hair has been like this for about a month now. When I do my hair, I like to, finish it off with a little Got to Be glue spray. Just to keep it in place. Keep it in place. Keep it in place. Well, I didn't have any more Got to Be glue spray, so I used this. Gorilla Glue spray. Y'all, look. My hair, it don't move. You hear what I'm telling you? It don't move.
No, guy.
I'm just jacking the car up.
Not your side skirts, guy.
I'm just jacking the car up.
Oh, those are holding up really well. What?
I was expecting it to crumple.
Oh no, the Rocco piano.
Oh no, the Rocco piano.
But it held up perfectly. It's not even a dent. So yeah, this one's on a dolly because it doesn't rotate. So now we gotta turn the wheel left and push it forward. So then we can put the motor behind it because there's, yeah. We could just put the motor back in. Big brain energy right here.
Put the motor on, put the hood back on, wire it all back up.
Wire it all back up, start it up.
Put the drive shaft back up, of course. Well, we had to pull that converter off. That's why we pulled the motor, folks.
Yeah.
Really, we're rebuilding the LS. And, yeah, it's coming back. It's coming back. We're getting the windshield replaced in it.
Oh my god! Jesus fuck!
That's why you don't. We're gonna replace the fender.
We're doing a windshield swap. Instead of putting the motor in the SC, we're taking the SC windshield and putting it on the LS.
It makes perfect sense.
Big brain energy right here. So we rolled the car forward, but we didn't think it would keep going, and it is. It's rolling really easily. We're gonna use the broken wheel as a wheel stop.
Yeah, makes perfect sense.
Just keep spinning it. Just keep spinning.
Just keep spinning. Just keep spinning. Oh, you knocked over my grandfather's Jackson.
Oh shit! I have the same one, so we're good. Nice. We're done.
Good job. All right.
Hey, someone could, dude. Some poor child could use that door and that mirror.
Oh my god. That's pretty good.
Some poor child.
So remember, folks, when putting your jack handle down, you know, in high school I did shot and discus.
Parkour!
I did shot and disc, you know, like.
Yeah, good job. That was good stuff.
I hope nobody wanted that door.
Yeah.
'Cause,
that came off really clean. That's art.
that's a perfect.
That's a half moon.
I think I have to cut this off here now. My pride and joy.
Parkour!
I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. But you're on to greener pastures.
Parkour!
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 Do it, yeah.
Jump over the camera. Jump over the camera.
Do it, yes.
Parkour!
Oh my god.
Parkour! Parkour. Alright, let's put the engine over there. My feet hurt now.
Oh, getting old sucks.
God, my feet. No, having shitty shoes sucks. It feels like I just jumped off of that barefoot.
No good. But you can spin the whole thing around. Yeah, let's do that before so that we can have the front of it sitting.
This is big brain stuff.
I know.
Oil pan in the middle? Or on the tire? What do you think? So, we're done here. We're gonna just clean up a little bit. Like that. Just a little bit. Clean up. Alright,
We converted everything.
that's gonna wrap it up for today. I'm trying to think if there's anything to say. So by the time this comes out, the corner lights are out, which are coming out tonight.
We'll probably have 3UZ SC400 running by then.
Oh yeah.
So the mods page will know about that.
Yeah, the mods
And all
page.
my Facebook, because I'll be so happy about that.
Yeah, you'll be posting that shit every goddamn
my
day.
God.
Hey guys, check it out. I started my engine and it started.
Does it run? Look at this burnout!
Just fucking burnouts every goddamn day. Oh man, that's gonna be so sick, dude. I can't wait. We're gonna race manual SC400 or 3UZ automatic SC400.
5-speed auto.
Yeah, that's gonna be a good race.
I'm wondering what my diff is going to think of that.
Why?
I got the manual diff.
Oh, that's gonna be really high.
Yeah.
First gear is gonna be like, bleh! That's it.
Exactly. Non-existent.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Maybe you can have my diff, my 392, 400 diff, because I'm taking this diff. So yeah, next up, this motor going in that car, and then we're taking this diff and putting it in my car, and then we're taking that motor and putting it in my car. So lots of swap-a-roos.
Bye. They're beautiful. Have a wonderful time. What does that one guy say in the one? Bye. Have a beautiful time.
Who says that?
And it's on like a cable network.
Dude, I don't fucking have cable.
I know. No. What's that show that it was on? I don't know. It was some dude. He like pops out and he's like, "Bye. Have a beautiful time."
Bye. Have a beautiful time.
And I'm like, "Oh man."
That's gonna be the outro. That's gonna be the outro. All right. Later, ding dongs. Thanks for watching.
R. Kelly. No.
America. Do you have your passport?